What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another video. You may be wondering where my car has been these past couple of weeks, right? I've kind of been MIA for the past, since the holiday break, since my last video. And basically my car has been in the shop at the dealer getting repaired. So it's been in there since the holiday break because of the holiday break. And then also they're backed up in work. But they're nice enough to give me a loaner. I have a 228i, 2021. If any of you want to see a review in that video, just comment below. You know, if one of you say, hey, I want to see a review in that car, let me know and I'll document it for you. Just because, hey, I want to start recording BMW content in general and reviewing cars. So hey, why not? So meanwhile, my car is at the shop. I want to give you guys some value back, right? You've been giving me value on my comments and questions. And what I want to do now is just read some of those questions and answer them for you. So let's see what comments have been coming through. So my most recent comment is regarding my AWE exhaust on my BMW the day I installed it. On my, I believe it was my 320i when I installed it. Sounds and review. So this question comes from Dylan Escobar and it says, I installed my 320i AWE exhaust. Will the exhaust pop more after the break-in? So on N20 motors, I don't believe if you install this muffler, it will pop without a flash tune. It popped on mine because I had a flash tune on it by Pro Tuning Freaks. I had a stage 1 flash tune on my N20 motor on my 320i included with this exhaust. It sounded the way it did, like this, which is just phenomenal, guys. So if you want to tune it, do it. Just caution, keep an eye on your car and take care of it, maintain it, because this tune will aggravate the motor. A lot of you that are pumping in 93 octane, you have nothing to worry about because you have quality octane. Here in California, Arizona, California, and Nevada, ACN, if you know what I'm talking about, when you go to Pro Tuning Freaks and you download a flash map called ACN, is for lower quality fueling, and that plays a big role in just how your motor, you know, drinks up quality fuel. And that, including an aggravated stage 1 tune, it could really do some damage on your motor if you don't take care of it. Now, for all my boys out there and girls that have a 93 octane, you got nothing to worry about because you have quality gas. Anywho, but that's how you get the pops and bangs. The N20 motor will not crank out pops and bangs without a flash tune. You can take off the resonators, you can do a cat a downpipe. Maybe a cat a downpipe will give you some burble, but not those pops and bangs that you see on my video. This other comment is from TAF. I think that's what it is, TAF. Are you lowering it? Yes, I am. I actually bought lowering springs given to me by Kies Motorsports. Thank you so much, guys out there at Kies Motorsports. You guys are always providing quality shipment and products. So yes, I am gonna lower it. I'm gonna take out that wheel gap that you see on that video of me installing wheels on my car. So yes, TAF, I am gonna be lowering it. This next comment is by Cybo Photography, and it's on my video on the bumper conversion of the F30. On my 328i, I basically removed the base bumper to an M Sport bumper, and that's the question here. He asked, hi, so you did not add a new intercooler strut with the new bumper. I think what you're asking is if I installed an intercooler and a strut bar. No, everything internally, engine-wise, kept the same. All I did was just remove the bumper and put in a new one. That's all I did. And if you're asking if I added a new strut that held the intercooler, no. I basically took it out because there's no need for it with an M Sport bumper. This next question is by Jonathan Hernandez. He's asking about the timing guide chain that I mentioned on all N20 motors. This is only before the 2015 model. Precisely the 2013 model, it happens a lot. The timing guide chain tends to go out. If you don't believe me, Google it, go to YouTube. You can just type in timing guide chain problem on N20 motors. You know what I'm talking about. That's what I did. And it says from 2013 to 2015, there's a timing guide chain problem that could grenade your motor. Will this happen on a 528i X-Drive? If that 528i X-Drive has an N20 motor, I would just, double check it. Take it to your mechanic. Just make sure your timing guide is secured, it's good to go, because this could be a problem. Last question here is by AMMO. He's commenting on my rear diffuser, which I love this diffuser on the 4 Series car because it just sticks out way more than the F30 bumper. I feel like the F30 gets kind of tucked down to the bottom, and on the 4 Series F32, F36 model, it sticks out a lot more, and it just really makes the whole rear end pop a lot more. But hey, I got this diffuser from Kies Motorsports. I have a link in my description. You can order one, the exact same one that I have on my 4 Series. You can order it there. Yeah, go to that link and you should be able to buy it from them. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Sorry there's no 4 Series content, but I wanted to at least give some value back to all of you about comments and questions that I've been receiving on my channel. Guys, make sure you follow my Instagram. I do update that channel pretty frequently with just content in general. I upload stories and answer your questions there as well. But thank you so much, guys, for all your help and support. All my N20 motor owners out there. I started a group a year ago called N20 Crew, and it's an exclusive network community for all N20 motors only. Go ahead and check that out. It's in the description as well. You can link up with other N20 owners out there in the world that are watching my content. Go ahead and join and be part of that community, guys. But guys, thank you so much. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you drop a comment and subscribe if you have not already. I've been noticing there's like 60% of you that are watching my video that are not subbed. Look, I upload a video either once a month or bi-weekly. So guys, I'm not gonna saturate you with content. I'm trying to give you value when I can. So guys, thank you so much, and I'll catch you next week.